Hey, Motorman here. Well, I was over in Daytona. I stopped by Custom Dynamics because I wanted to get some lights. What I wanted was these lights here to run as run lights, signal lights, and I wanted them to flash as well as this light here. So I bought, I think they call it the 3-play. It's a simple plug-in. You take the seat up, unplug the stock one, plug this one in, and then it works. I'll show you exactly what it does. See the flashes? And these are LEDs. These also come from Custom Dynamics. It's a little package. You take them out, you take out the bulb, you slip this one in, put these red lenses up, because when you have these as running lights, they have to be red lenses in just about every state. It took me all of about 10 minutes to put these in. The next thing I'd like to do is I want to get, if I get an LED in here, it's going to flash a lot quicker. It works a lot better. So in about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, if you really take your time, you'll have the Custom Dynamics 3-play installed. It's just plug it in, that's all there is to it, tape it down, or use snap ties, whatever you want to use to secure it under the seat. And you have running lights, because there's so many crashes now from people rear-ending motorcyclists because they're looking at their phones or they're texting. You know the stuff that they're doing. I hope you're not one of them. But this is a very easy install. Nothing to it. Custom Dynamics, they make a great product. I've used them before and it worked perfect. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to an LED as well. I also took off the stock rack because I wanted a quick release one. So I got these quick release docking hardware, they call it. You can put a tow rack on top of this, or you could put a backrest, whatever you want. And I got these on eBay. I think they were like $38. It's 2 bolts. I mean, there's nothing to it. If you get them from Harley, I think they're like 150 bucks. So for 40 bucks, they work perfect. I did have to modify it very slightly. It was a little tight trying to get the tow rack on there. So I put an extra washer in here. That's all I needed. It works perfect. Save a bunch of money. You find these on eBay or Amazon even. And the rack that I bought that fits in here, I also got that from eBay. They're brand new. I guess they make them in China, but I think they make the Harley parts in China as well. And I think I paid for the racks like 70 bucks. It saved a couple of $100, and it's a fairly easy install. Maybe take an hour to put the docking hardware and the rack together and put it on the bike. So I highly recommend it.